Proflex is a modular, reusable, portable barrier system that's used to isolate the work area from the rest of your job site. Each component in the Proflex system is interchangeable and adaptable, requiring only a single tool to assemble and disassemble the entire barrier. Our exclusive Flexi hinge will allow you to create a corner at any angle, up to 180 degrees in either direction. Choose either translucent or opaque wall panels for privacy, and enjoy our extra wide doors with secure handles and hydraulic closers. Each panel is designed to be adjusted and secured by a single person, and components can be added or removed as needed. Proflex barrier systems can even be paired with a HEPA filtration system for a truly clean worksite with fresh, breathable air. Save money on cleanup costs and leave the worksite faster with our flexible, portable, and 100% reusable Proflex barrier systems.